Many users prefer to speak with a business before they buy your product or service. Google Ads call-only ads will allow your customers to phone you from their mobile search results to get the answers that they are looking for quickly. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. Google is starting to launch extra lines of text in the call-only ads to help businesses to give more useful information for their potential customers. You will be given the ability to add 2 times 30 character headlines on the call-only ad, and description lines are being increased up to 90 characters. This means that you can take advantage of these extra added lines of ad text to give your customers even more detail about your business. This change has been brought in because it was difficult to add in both the business name and an engaging call to action in the headline. Hopefully, these changes to the Google Ads call-only ads will help you to engage with more customers, drive high-quality phone calls, and give a better experience for the end user. I would love to know if your thoughts about the changes to the call-only ads. Please send in your comments in the box below, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video.